Hey yo, welcome back to my channel. It's Al TJ, and today's just gonna be a quick little short video. I'm really just upgrading my CPU cooler because my CPU has been reaching a lot of hot temps. So yeah, I'm finna show y'all. Well, I'm finna show y'all the CPU cooler, but I'm finna show y'all. Okay, hold up. So y'all remember that white case I had? It was something wrong with the front IO, so I had to go back to my old case. And this is the the Cooler Master 300L, I think version 2. So yeah, it's a good case. It be getting too hot in this hole. So and then the CPU cooler I'm gonna put up in there is this. This is only about, I think, like $30. I mean, not even $30, like $20 on Newegg. So I'll put this up on there. But I'm finna clear all this stuff off my desk, so I'm gonna put this up on there real quick. Okay, so I got everything moved off my desk. And all I gotta do now is take this front glass off and take the GPU out so I can install this cooler. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna just set y'all down right here so I can do this. So yeah, like I said, my old case, it was something wrong with the front IO, so I had to send that back. The first thing I'm gonna do is really just take this part off right here. I mean the CPU fan, I'm finna take the stock one off. So I'm finna go and do that now. We got the stock one off, so it is good. I'm gonna wipe all that off, just in case if I need to keep it for later on in life. You never know what might happen. But now, I gotta wipe that thermal paste. Hold up, let me zoom in. I gotta wipe that thermal paste off of that CPU real quick. So I'll be back. Okay, so all I got now is just some alcohol, some tissue, and I put on my gloves just in case. Cause what I'm gonna do is just wipe off this old thermal paste off of this CPU. And you just want to dab. You don't want to put a lot. All you want to do is take it like that, put a dab up on there. You don't need a whole bunch of none of that. Okay, so this is the best I can get it to look like that. So I try my best to get everything off of it, but yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna unbox the CPU cooler. So. These just all the parts you need. Okay, yeah, this is CPU fan. The other thing that goes onto the this one goes up onto the CPU. Okay, I finally got the things up on there on the bottom. And all I gotta do is put my computer back up and install this up on there. P5 dot. That's what I hear a lot of people say. So I just put one. Let me show y'all. See, that's how big the dot is. We're gonna screw down evenly. All right, and all them up on there. So all I do now is put this fan up on here. Okay. I think I got everything straight. All right, I'm gonna clean off the table and plug everything back in, so yeah. Okay, so if I plug everything back in right, it should just light up and everything. Okay, everything should be synced up now. Yeah. Well, I appreciate y'all for watching the video. Make sure y'all drop a like and comment and let me know if y'all have any questions about this build. So, yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all again.